we're going to make a paper towel holder. Stay tuned to see how we do it. I've got all my measurements taken. I also have this leftover wood from a recent shiplap wall project that I did. I'm going to use this to make the paper towel holder. All right, I'm double stacking my boards here, so when I cut them, they come out exactly the same length. These are going to be my top and bottom pieces. So these are going to be my long side rails. I'm going to use the same technique here. I'm going to cut it with just a little bit of slack, and then I'm going to double stack them, and then I'm going to cut it again. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and attach our pieces. Put some wood glue down this end. Just like that. Now we'll do the same for the other four corners. So I've got my frame assembled. So what you'll do is you'll be able to place the paper towels in here. You'll have a bungee cord that stretches across the frame, actually two bungee cords that stretch across the frame that hold the paper towels in place. So when you mount this to the wall, you'll be able to stack all the paper towels up and they won't fall out. Let's put the bungee cords on. I went ahead and marked my position for the bungee cord holes. For these particular bungee cords, I'm going to bring them 6 inches from each end and 1 inch in. I'm just going to drill a 1/4 inch hole, and then I'll be able to hook the bungee cord in just like that. And then we'll do the same on the other side. Just like that. And that's what it looks like with the bungees installed and a roll of paper towels in. Now once I mount this to the wall, you'll be able to stuff a lot more paper towels in here. Alright, here's what it looks like installed. My final frame measurements were about 3 inches wide on the sides, and the whole frame is 48 inches long. Those are 4-foot bungee cords, and as you can see, I have 8 rolls of paper towels stuffed in there. I've mounted it to the wall so it gives you a little bit of storage space underneath, and if you're so inclined, there's a little tiny shelf up top as well. Hope you enjoyed this project. Alright, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Rider in Motion. If you like what I'm doing, please give me a thumbs up. Think about subscribing. Till next time, take care.